So it gives me great honor and pleasure to invite a special guest, one of my students, Marie Nishiuchi, all
Yes.
the way from Los Angeles in the United States. And Marie is one of our students in the Piranha Profit courses. She has taken the investing course, the trading course, the option course, almost all the courses. And she has been able to beat the market since last year when she took the courses. She's also been a very active member in the community, always giving great comments, as well as encouraging other people in the community as well. So Marie, sorry, it's great to have you here. Thank you so much for being here today.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity.
So Marie is a Japanese teacher, a Japanese translator, a video game tester, which I think is the coolest job in the whole world. And she also owns a real estate company. So Marie, maybe could you share more about how you got into investing and how long have you been involved in the markets?
I've been investing and trading since 2009. My father was a stockbroker, and he's been trading and investing since 1985. And I was only like 7 years old at the time. And he's been telling me since I was a child, you have to get involved into the stock market. It took so many years for me to listen to my father, but I finally started when I around 2009, and that's how I started.
So, Mary, for the last 12 years, have you only been investing in stocks, or have you also been involved in options and other instruments?
When I started in 2009, I was only doing stocks. Then I started options around 2017, but I thought I was doing options, but I wasn't. I didn't have the right knowledge, no skills, nothing, just single puts and calls, and everything went to hell.
Okay, so you lost money initially because you did not have the right knowledge or the right strategies.
Yes.
That happens to everyone, including me when I first started.
Oh, great. Good to hear that.
So what, after 12 years of being in the markets, what motivated you to take the courses, to take my courses last year in November? I believe you took it in November 2020?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what motivated you to want to learn more from the courses?
When I was buying stocks for investment, I wasn't too sure which stocks to invest for long term anyway, but I was buying something that I was kind of sure, and I was making some money. Then I started options and everything went to hell. I made a lot of money. I lost all my profits, made more money, lost the profits again, just going around in circles and circles. Then I saw your Black Friday webinar, and I was like, this is it. I'm going to join this one. And that's how I joined.
Okay. So you wanted to learn how to make consistent profits on options.
Yes.
Because before that, you made money, you lost all your money, made it back, lost it back, going in circles. And I think a lot of people can relate to this. Because when I started many years ago, it was the same thing. Going in circles for many, many years. So it's something everyone experiences, right? So that inspired you to say, okay, I got to learn this. I could have the knowledge to make consistent profits, right? Great.
Yes.
So when you took the courses, what do you think was the most important thing that you learned that changed the way you traded, that changed the way you invested, that you said, okay, this is it, this clicks, and now I know what to do?
For the VMI course, your investment course, I learned how to calculate intrinsic value, which I never knew anything like that. I didn't know if this stock, I knew like Microsoft was good, but I didn't know the true value of the stock. I knew Amazon was good, but I didn't know if it's expensive or not.
Yeah.
So that's why I learned. From your course, I get to learn how to diversify my portfolio, not only the tech company, but I have to have different sectors of like defensive, psychical, and so I got to learn those ones. And from OTP, the option courses,
Yeah.
I learned so much. So for me, before I joined to Piranha Profits, it took about 1 year to kind of master single puts and calls. It took 1 year.
Yeah, to learn how to buy
Yes.
calls and puts.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay.
And then I wasn't still I wasn't doing good. Then I took this master bank and your option courses, and within just 1 month, I learned everything. 1 month.
Wow.
And I was like, what I was doing before, I wasted so much time. And so that was like the greatest thing I ever done.
Great. So
Yeah.
what did you learn about options that do you think made you successful in trading options? Was it what was a secret that you learned?
The best ones are like Snipex or
Snipex, okay. That's
I
a
like the,
double calendar
yeah.
spread. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's good. And I like the Bang.
Okay, so
and
Bang,
the BBC.
so
Yeah.
let me just share with the viewers. Bang is a strategy which is a synthetic long spread with a put option as well, right? So yeah.
Yes.
And what's your other favorite strategy?
Oh, the BBC, the
BBC.
Bang with color.
Right. Yeah, Bang with a collar. So basically that's a synthetic long spread with a long put and a short call.
Yes, those
four-legged strategy. Four-legged strategy. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Those strategies that I can never find anywhere but here. And the first time I learned, I was like, I'm not too sure yet until I do it. Then I got this OTP subscription. So I just followed Master Bang to do all these strategies. And then I was like, okay, after few tries, I was like, this is incredible. The options I used to do wasn't options. It was just gambling.
Gambling,
With
yeah.
the puts and the calls. These option strategies, I have to think more, but it's great. It sounded kind of hard at the beginning, but it's not really. It's actually very simple. And also I like BPSX, the
bull put spread extreme. Yeah. So
and
that's my favorite as well. Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the problem. A lot of people, when they first start options, they just use single calls and single puts. And most people lose money because when you just do that, it's like gambling, right?
Yes.
It's like buying the lottery.
Yes. Yes.
Sometimes you can make a lot of money, but later you lose everything back. All right. And the only way to really make money consistently in options is to learn how to use these different two-legged, three-legged, and four-legged combination, where you don't just make money when the price goes up, but you make money when the price goes sideways or the price goes down as well. You've got a wider profit zone. I think that's one thing that you learn that, in options trading, you have to have a wide profit zone. And you don't have to always be right on the direction, right?
Right. That's the thing. Like I can make money on the sideways too with the calendar spreads and this earning probability spreads and like different ones. It's incredible. I love it.
And like you said, when you first start learning it, it may seem complicated. It may seem like a lot to learn, but like riding a bicycle and driving a car, once you learn it, it becomes simple, right? Once you practice, everything difficult becomes simple once you practice it, right?
Yes. The first time I was watching the Master Bang's courses, I was like, I'm not sure I can do this. But then, like in a month, I was like, you know what? I can do this. So, well, I joined Piranha Profits on late November.
Yeah.
But I didn't really do trading using those strategies until a month later because I wanted to master before I put a real trade.
All right.
So I was studying until the end of December, and then I actually started from this year,
All right,
January.
so just about 7 months. All right.
Yes,
And this
yes,
year has actually been quite choppy. The market's been quite choppy, but you still
yes,
managed to beat the market, right?
yes, yes,
And
yes,
I believe you got like about above 60% return for the year so far.
yes, yes,
Right.
yes,
That's
yes.
fantastic. That's great.
Thank you.
So um, so what advice what advice would you give people who have not started investing or trading, and maybe they are afraid to get started because they think that it's difficult to learn or it's too risky? What advice would you give them?
My advice would be the people who they have no experience. I want them to get the right education, which is Piranha Profits courses. And I watched so many YouTube videos for free from your videos or some other people's videos, but nothing's, it's different. I mean, your free videos are great, but when I took your courses, it was life changing. So my advice is sign up to Piranha Profits,
All right.
get those courses, and just follow UIP and OTP. And I also purchased the price action manipulation,
Yes.
and I'm still studying that one. And those courses are really good too. So I want people to um, join to Piranha Profits. That's
That's
my
great. That's
advice.
great advice. That's great. Thank you very much. And
Okay, thank you.
how much time do you spend every day trading or preparing to trade?
Um, in my time, LA stock market starts from 6:30 a.m. and I don't like to jump in at the beginning of the market because the beginning of the market is too volatile. So I usually get up around 7 a.m. and I check stock market for about 10 minutes. And if my trades are still doing good, I keep it. If I make some profit, I take profit, close it. Or if I have to cut loss, I cut loss. Then that's all 10 minutes in the morning. And then at the end of the day, around 12:30 here, 1 o'clock is the closing time for the market. I check around 12:30, 12:45, and then check another 15 minutes or so. And then if I like something, I enter something, or something like that. So I usually spend about 30 minutes a day.
That's all, 30 minutes a day.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
great. Because a lot of people think that to trade successfully, they have to stare at the screen the whole day for many hours. And
Oh,
it's not true, right? You don't have to do that. You just need 30 minutes a day. Of
yes.
course, when you first
I
started, I think you took a bit more time than 30 minutes. You had to take
Oh,
more
I
time
did.
at the beginning,
Yes.
right? To learn.
Yeah. The first time I started, I was up before 6 o'clock, and I was watching the whole pre-market to the end of the market, and then after market. Oh God, I didn't like it. That's just too much time consuming with not much profits. So I learned this way. I only check 10, 15 minutes in the morning and 10, 15 minutes in the evening. And that's it. That's my rule. The first time I joined Piranha Profits, I had some questions about Snipex. So I asked to the community about my question, and within just a few minutes, somebody replied to me, helping answering my questions. And then after that, somebody else helped me with different questions, and I was like, this is great. I don't know these people, but they're willing to help me.
Yeah.
So I started reading other people's comments, and whatever I see something that I think I can help, I started replying to them and helping. And they help me, I help them, and also we can exchange informations, any good trades they think, I think. and you help other students as well. And I read your comments, and it's great. It's wonderful.
Yes, because trading can be a very lonely journey, and to do it yourself is very difficult. Very difficult to stay disciplined, very difficult to stay motivated. But when you have a whole community that's there to encourage you, to remind you to follow the rules, it's easier to succeed.
Yes, yes, I love it.
Murray, do you think that anybody can be successful at investing and trading?
Yes, anybody can, but they have to get the right education. That's the most important. Don't listen to the news. Don't listen to all these analysts, what they say, So they have to get the right education, which is the Piranha Profits.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, Mary. Thank you for contributing so much to the community, and thank you for continuing to inspire so many people out there with your story. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.